close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Targaye Nicole here. How you guys doing? I am doing well. I hope you are doing well. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. If you are new and you like budget videos, Poshmark videos, decluttering videos, all kind of different challenges every month, and I also have an Etsy shop you can check out. It'll be linked down in the description. I make cash envelopes. Check it out. But if you are interested in all or any of those things, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. All right, today is a part of our March declutter challenge, and it is a day late and $1 short, and I have no excuses for you. I just kind of overbooked myself with the gym and work and all that, and that's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, and it was a really big category, so that's why you see me. Usually you just see the desk or whatever. I am going to be decluttering my shoes. So first, I'm going to show you where all my shoes are in the house, and then we're going to get them and put them all on the floor down here. And then I'm going to get on the floor, or I'm going to sit up here and like declutter. So let me show you. All right, guys, so this is the area we're working with, the living room, because the bedroom, I didn't want to put everything on. I didn't want to put shoes on my bed. So this bin right here will be my donation / sell on Poshmark bin. These are the shoes that were already in this particular room, because this is where I come in the front door, and they've been kicked off throughout the week. Now, here's where all the shoe storage really is. So don't like yell yet. All like 1, 2, 3, 4, I want to say the first 5 rows of that shoe shelf are Poshmark shoes. Those are not my shoes, and I'm actually hoping to get those listed and get them sold so I can put all my shoes in one spot, because all my shoes are in different places. So these bottom rows here are my shoes. These shoes on the floor, Poshmark shoes. There are a few shoes there that are my shoes. Y'all see what I'm talking about? I need to hang pictures. It's ridiculous. So there are shoes here for some reason. Rain boots, and these boots are the boots I want to get rid of. I'll show you all them in detail so y'all can see why. Oh, I did laundry, so clothes is hanging. Don't judge me. So y'all know that closet have my tissue, bath stuff, blah blah blah. Well, on the wall, and more shoes. shoes, and toothpaste and stuff. So I got to take all those shoes out of there. Then there's this closet that has some shoes. There's really not a lot of shoes in here. There's a few boots back there and a few on the bottom, but I think some of these are actually for Poshmark. So yeah, there's not really many in there. And last but not least, there are shoes on the back of my bedroom door. So I mean, overall, I don't think I have that many shoes, but I'm going to start taking them out and putting them in the spot. So I'm going to set you guys up so you're pointed at the living room floor, and I'll be walking in and out, putting them down, and we'll see what I'm actually dealing with. Okay, so I was wrong. There's a very big pile of shoes here. A very big pile of shoes. And actually, as I'm taking them down, I'm thinking to myself, like, you are going to need to start putting more money into clothing shoes budget. And I'm not saying that to be funny, but there was a lot of shoes I took out there, and I was like, why are you holding on to these? They're all stained, they're all gross, they're bending funny. And I think I got to a point where I was like just tired of shopping for shoes and stuff like that, that I just keep looking down at it, that I just was like, you're just going to make these work. But I need to like literally buy pairs of shoes that are good, and when they're done, they're just done. I love things, like I love these shoes, but you can see the angle on them. There's no way those are still good for my feet. Like there's no way, or my back I should say. And I love those shoes. I've kept them for a long time, and they're just fab. But I remember wearing them last year and thinking, oh my God, they're shifting every time I wear them, and they can't possibly be good for me. So I'm so sad. There's some that I'm just not even going to attempt to sell. I'm just going to throw them away. That doesn't make any sense. So my tips are, like I said, I tried to, I don't know why this hand is doing this. I tried to put them all out neat and nice, as you guys saw, but that didn't work. So I just started throwing them. If you have enough shoes where you can stack them out straight, I would do that. Stack them out straight so you can look at them evenly and next to each other. I would get a little bin for if you're keeping some and selling them to put them there. And then I would get a bag for if you're throwing things away, or just grab your garbage if it's empty. So I'm about to grab a bag or grab my garbage for the ones that are just going to the garbage. And now I'm going to set you guys up. I think I'm just going to sit on the chair until there's room for me to sit on the table and just kind of look at all of them and do my whole KonMari, does it spark joy type of thing. Do I like it? Is it even a good shoe anymore? Do I wear it? Have I worn it? Because there are things that I'm like, I don't even wear these. It's so ridiculous. Yeah, anyway, so let me get into that.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's me again. So that actually did not take me as long as I thought it was going to, and all I have to do is put these shoes away now. They're all lined out. I think I counted like I had 34 to 35 pairs of shoes left, which I think is great. But I want to talk to you guys about a few. I need your help per usual. So these are some, as you guys might be able to tell, or maybe not, I have a very aversion to leopard. Like, I love leopard shoes. They're like basics to me. They're like a black or white, like they're plain. I don't really like white shoes. So leopard is like my jam. So I was deciding, y'all need to help me. Obviously this is dirty and can be clean, but should I keep these? Because this is my problem. A lot of my shoes, what happens is over time you'll see they start to lean, because I think I walk on the outside of my foot, and these particular ones, the soles are coming out. I mean, I could put them right back in, but I don't know if that's good. And then on the other foot of it, the back, as you can see, because I said I lean when I walk, especially on this right foot, it seems all of this is like rubbed off and like really. So should I get rid of these, or do you think they have a few more wears in them? Let me know, because I don't want to be out here looking crazy. These here are my favorite wedges, favorite wedges. These are from Steve Madden. I got them years ago. And what happens with these are, I'm going to try to clean them, because I have them now and they're the most comfortable shoes I've ever had as far as like a wedge. But the problem is they're dirty. Like, they're not supposed to be cream and black. They're supposed to be cream. So I did get some suede cleaner because I work at Poshmark. Because I have a Poshmark store that I'm not really doing well with. But I'm going to attempt to clean these, and that's going to decide whether or not I keep them. If I can get them to look super clean again, I will keep these, because they're some of my favorites. So that's for that. And then these are the black boots. I keep saying, y'all, I need black boots. I need black boots, because look at my black boots. Like, and my friends were like, oh, try shoe polish and all that. Girl, y'all, I Sharpied this in. Look at the toe. The toe is horrible. Look at the, like I said, I walk on that one side. So yeah, that's totally messed up. And it's not just the one shoe. It's, look at this one. Like I said, that right foot. I don't know what that right foot be doing. It be doing too much. But yeah, so I think I'm definitely going to get rid of it. But I just wanted to show you guys. So if y'all ever see me like buy new black boots, you know why. Like, I wasn't just, I don't buy things anymore just to be buying them. So I have a question for you guys. These are some of my favorite flats. They're Christian Siriano. I love the Christian Siriano from the Payless brand. However, they are now like brown and black. Does anyone know how to clean these? Can I throw these in the washing machine? And again, on the right side, there's a little bit, but I'm not really worried. That you can't really see that one that much. And the other shoe doesn't have a lot going on. It's just dirty as well. Does anyone know if I just throw them in the wash or something, if I can clean them up? If not, I'm gonna have to get rid of them because I'm not walking around with shoes that look like this. Like, I really don't. So help me out, help me out. These, I was so pissed. I bought these from Target and I almost didn't buy Target ever again. These booties from Target a little while ago, this automatically rubbed. I wore these once or twice, you guys. That's what they look like after once or twice. At least all the other ones I've worn for a while and they start to look like that, but this is my problem. Why, sir, is this missing? So I'm like, it's not missing, it just came off one day, the very first day I wore them. So I'm like, I hate that they're in decent condition, but I can't wear them because that is not okay. So do I just get rid of those? Black Target, that's what we're calling these. These are black Targets. Do we just get rid of them? Let me know down below. Again, these I got from Macy's. They're, I don't know, American Rag. And I've had them, I want to say now 2 or 3 years now. I love them. They're comfy. They're a perfect size wedge. I think the suede cleaner can clean them up as well. However, that happened. So that's not a suede cleaner thing. Like, the entire thing ripped. Do I keep this or do I give it away? I give it away. Do I keep this or do I throw it away? Is that tacky if I'm walking around like that? Like that one part ripped up? You think anybody's going to notice? I think the only way I get away with that is like if I'm wearing bell bottoms. But y'all let me know. I hate that because I hate when I love shoes and then something bad happens to them and I'm like, oh, damn it. So we're almost done. So these ones are sneakers. I'm just going to throw these in the wash, actually. I'm just going to throw these in. These are the ones that are old that when I jump, you can almost see that the air pocket things are kind of scrunched down from where they used to be. So the resistance is not great on these, but I think they'll be good for just regular walking sneakers. And I'm just going to throw these in. Sneakers I know I can throw in the wash because my mom used to do it all the time when we were young. And last but not least are these Cosmopolitan black and white striped shoes that I got from Macy's. They actually are not super dirty. They have a few like random spots on them. And the reason we're talking about them, like literally I've not worn them. Really. Like I wore them outside maybe once or twice. Maybe. Because my ankles will fall off from wearing them a whole day. I'm debating whether I should sell them or if I should just keep them. And I'd just be keeping them to keep them. Not because I wear them. Just because they look nice in like a photo or something. Do I just sell them? I'm like teetering on the side of just put them in the Poshmark shop, girl, and take the money and buy yourself shoes you can actually wear. But you guys let me know. Alright, so let me just show you what is left of my shoe collection. And then this video will be over, you guys. So I'm going to show you what's left. And I appreciate you guys for helping me. I hope you guys do comment down below. Let me know what you think. What is good, what should throw away. Just let it go, Tara. Let it go, sis. Just like hit me with the let it go, sis on some of them. Or this can be cleaned and that and this and that and the other. That is the pile of things I'm going to attempt to sell on Poshmark. This is the bag of shoes that I am throwing away. I think I did good. A lot of them were old and just tore up. And I did thank them. Like I Marie Kondo'd that thing. I was like, thank you so much for your service. And then I threw them away. Those sneakers I'm keeping because I've had them since high school. They still fit. They just need a good cleaning. These sneakers are from Target and those sneakers are from Target. I love those. And I think I bought those just as like they were buy one, get one or something. However, when I wear them, sometimes I feel like my feet look super thick or puffy in them. So there are two that we're going to see how well I wear them. And then the dress shoes, got to keep those. Oh, those shoes were supposed to hit that pile over there because I've decided I don't know yet. I might give them away. So these sneakers right here, love them. They're leopard. I'm actually going to be on the lookout on something to replace them. They're not completely dead, but they're on their way. Like I could see some of the sides are starting to rub. My rain boots. Thank you, Julie. She sent me those. And my new pair of sneakers that I wear to the gym. My call it spring pink ones. Love those jellies. My coworker bought me those jellies. And I'm going to see how they feel this summer. If they don't stretch out, then I'm not going to keep them. I got to wear my little 9 West flats. these Forever 21. These are another pair I'm a little unsure about. They're in good condition, but I got to figure out I love them. They're flat, but I got to figure out a good way to style them. Those are my 2 boots there. I'm going to attempt to wear these this week coming up because I'm not sure if the heel is too high and uncomfortable. Those are still brand new. I need to attempt to wear those as well to make sure the heel is not high and uncomfortable, because if not, I need to try and sell those as well. Little sneakers, all good fits. I got those at a thrift store. They're amazing. Love those. These 2 pair, I love them, but I got them at Lane Bryant, and I have narrow feet, and all their shoes are wide width. So sometimes I wear them, I have to really like tie them up, or my feet shift in them. So we'll see how I feel about them when it's warm enough to wear them. Love these, love those. Gonna test these out. These ones I didn't wear last summer, but I don't know why, because I think they're comfortable. I think they're fine. So I'm gonna wear them and see how they go, and if they're fine, then they'll keep them, and if I realize why I don't wear them, then I'll get rid of them. Sneakers, gotta keep those. Gotta keep your shell toes. Those are great. Just bought those last year. These, I'm gonna have to wear them. These look pretty low. Well, not that low. I'm gonna have to try them to wear them for a while and see how comfortable I am in them. These are, I've been rocking these all winter, loving them. They saved my life, and believe it or not, they're freaking from Charlotte Russe, y'all. Charlotte Russe hooked me up. Like, I've had these for like 3 or 4 or 5 years now. They've been rocking, but I know after this season they gotta go, because they're doing, like, look at the heel. That's not okay. That cannot be good for my back, but I'm gonna continue wearing them, and the season's almost done, and then I'm gonna have to get rid of those. These are great. They do have, one of them does have a little bit of something there, but I don't think it's enough to like get rid of them. They're good heel, like there it is, but I'm gonna keep them. I don't care. These are really good heel height, and that's what I look for nowadays, like cute shoes with a good heel height. Those are good. Those are great. Just bought them this year, but the toe is last year. The toe is already getting a little funky again. These are comfortable, love those, and those are great. So those are what's left of my shoe collection. However, like I said, there are a few in there that I'm a little unsure about until I wear them again, but hopefully it'll all work out. And so this is what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 shelves are mine. These are for sale, or I need to put them up for sale, but these are all mine. I got the majority of my shoes on the rack. I'm excited about that. Then I'll show you where the few that I had left are. Other than these sneakers that I'm gonna wear today, this has like hair storage and toothpaste and deodorant and stuff that stays in here storage rather than shoe storage. And there's nothing in this one either. Down here, just like some belts and stuff. I don't know if I'm just gonna leave that hanging there. And the rest of the shoes actually are right there. That's it. My box, my couple here, and then the little bit of boots I have left. That's it, guys. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Bye.